What if I told you? A man who once had only 40 rupees in his pocket today teaches more than 25 million students. A man who couldn't afford a train ticket home now helps millions build careers, support families, and change their destinies. This is not a story about a teacher. This is a story about hope. This is the story of Khan Sir. Born in the small town of Bhatpa Rani in Uttar Pradesh, Faisal Khan grew up in a modest family where dreams were big but resources were small. His grandfather was a school teacher. His father served in the Indian Army. And like many children from small towns across India, young Faisal dreamed of wearing the uniform and serving the nation. He worked hard. He prepared relentlessly. And eventually, he cleared the NDA written examination. The dream was within reach. But destiny had other plans. A medical rejection ended his army journey before it could even begin. For many people, that would have been the end of the story. For Khan Sir, it was only the beginning. Years later, while studying in Allahabad, life tested him once again. There came a day when he had only 40 rupees left in his pocket. The fare to return home was 90 rupees. He couldn't even afford to leave. Imagine that moment. No money, no certainty, no roadmap, just a young man sitting beside the Ganga, wondering what comes next. And sometimes, the moments that break us become the moments that build us. Instead of going home, he stayed. And he started teaching. His first classroom had only 6 students. 6. No large building. No fame. No social media. No YouTube. Just one teacher. And 6 students. Today, that number has become millions. But here's where the story becomes extraordinary. Khan Sir didn't just teach subjects. He taught confidence. He taught belief. He taught students that their dreams were not smaller just because their villages were small. His language was simple. His examples came from everyday life. His humor made difficult topics easy to understand. And suddenly, students who had always felt left behind started feeling seen. Then came the pandemic. While the world was shutting down, a teacher from Patna was about to open the doors of education for an entire nation. His YouTube lectures exploded across India, from Bihar to Rajasthan, from Uttar Pradesh to Assam, from villages to metros. Millions of students found a teacher who spoke their language. And perhaps the most powerful thing he did, he made quality education affordable, sometimes completely free. Think about that. A student who once needed to spend thousands on coaching could now learn from a smartphone. A dream that seemed expensive suddenly became accessible. But the real story isn't about subscribers. It's about outcomes. It's about the son of a farmer becoming a government officer. It's about a daughter from a small village becoming a teacher. It's about students clearing UPSC, BPSC, SSC, railways, banking, defense services, police examinations, and countless other competitive exams. Every successful student represents a family transformed. Parents receive better healthcare. Siblings get better education. Children get better opportunities. Poverty loses its grip and dignity returns. This is Khan Sir's micro impact. One student, one family, one dream at a time. But now let's zoom out. Let's look at the bigger picture. The macro impact. Millions of students consuming free educational content. When education becomes accessible, an entire economy moves forward. When a student succeeds, India succeeds. And Khan Sir's impact doesn't stop at education. In 2025, he fulfilled his mother's dream. He helped establish an affordable healthcare facility where even basic medical tests became accessible for ordinary people. Because he understood something powerful. A nation grows not only when people are educated, a nation grows when people are healthy. And perhaps that's why millions admire him. Not because he became successful, but because success never changed his mission. In a world where education often becomes a business, he chose to keep it a service. In a world chasing profits, he continued chasing impact. Today, Khan Sir is more than a teacher. He is a movement, a symbol of possibility. Sometimes life doesn't give you what you want because it is preparing you for something much bigger. Khan Sir wanted to serve the nation as a soldier. Instead, he became an army of one, fighting ignorance with education, defeating poverty with opportunity, and transforming lives, one student at a time. This isn't just the story of Khan Sir. This is the story of what happens when one person decides that access to education should belong to everyone. And perhaps the greatest revolutions don't begin in parliament, they begin in classrooms. Because when you educate one student, you don't just change a life, you change the future. Brought to you by Ganesh Mustard Oil, the timeless taste of purity since the 1920s.